Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button below and the tiny little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Today I am going to talk about this minimalist AHA and BHA solution. This has 30% AHA and 2% BHA, and this says it is a weekend exfoliating serum or facial or whatever be. At first, let me tell you about what is AHA and what is BHA. AHA means alpha hydroxy acid and BHA means beta hydroxy acid. AHAs are water soluble acids that exfoliate the top layer of our skin by breaking down the bonds that holds the top layer that has dead skin cells. As AHAs promote collagen production on the top layer of our skin, it is used as an anti-aging ingredient. Exfoliating with AHAs can help removing the dead skin cells and just clearing your clogged pores and reducing the acne. Mainly it is used for that. It also helps to reduce the enlarged pores or the pores you see on top of your skin, like in this parts. Glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, etc. are common AHAs. Whereas BHAs are oil soluble acids. That is why they go deeper into our skin and they clean out and exfoliate the skin from inside. It also hydrates our skin, reduces wrinkles and lines that we have under our eyes or any wrinkles that we have on our face. It can also unclog our pores. The common BHA is salicylic acid. Basically, we can say that AHAs actually work topically, like on the upper layer of our skin, and BHA go deeper into our skin and cleanses our skin from within. In this serum, glycolic acid, lactic acid and mandelic acid is used as AHA and salicylic acid is used as BHA. Here I am going to include a clip where I am actually using this acid to exfoliate my skin. So this is the peeling solution and I am using this for the first time. I'm dropping it on my face just a little bit. I will keep it for 10 minutes and then I will wash off and then I will come back. So guys, this is my skin after I have washed off the peeling solution. Now I am going to apply a little bit of aloe vera gel to soothe down my skin actually. You can use any moisturizer, but I will suggest not to use anything which has some active ingredient. AHA and BHA peeling solutions should not be clubbed with other active ingredients like vitamin C or retinol or other active ingredients. Please keep it in mind that after using this kind of peeling solutions, we must use any kind of moisturizer or aloe vera gel or any kind of that hydrates our skin. If you are using this kind of peeling solutions regularly, use sunscreen because this exfoliates the top layer of your skin that makes you more prone to UV rays of sun. I will suggest you to use peeling solutions at in the evening. all skin types can use peeling solutions and will get benefit from it. This solution is a bit oily because of BHA, but it will not clog your pores for oily skin. Rather, it will unclog your pores. For me, if you ask that what benefit I have got from this, just after using twice, like I used it once in a week because I am very new to this kind of solutions. I take 4 to 5 drops of this solution and apply it all over my face. Just after using 2 times, I can say that it has cleared out my skin completely. It has unclogged my pores. Just I used it in the evening, and in the morning I can definitely tell that it has reduced my acne and acne marks. So that's a like miracle. I love this solution. This minimalist solution is $6.99, I guess. Yeah, $6.99, and I did not get any discount on that. And you can see complete ingredient list at the back of the outer packaging and in the inner packaging. So I love that. We all know that Minimalist has copied the packaging of Ordinary, but to be honest, it's a like proper dupe of Ordinary. This is such a good serum, and I have got really good results after using this. And I know that they have already accepted that they have copied a company like Ordinary. So they are going to change their packaging, and they are going to produce like black or UV protected glass bottle, which is a really good thing. So I'm looking forward to their other serums. I will buy some of their new serums and all. So that's all I have to say about this serum. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more reviews and more makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.